Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to back up your OST file in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. This will load all your emails and ensure everything is synced properly before you begin the backup process. Taking a moment to let everything load completely is important for a successful backup. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, navigate to the File menu. You'll find this tab located at the top left corner of your screen, alongside other menu options like Home and Send/Receive. Click on the File tab to open the menu. After the File menu opens, look for the option labeled Open and Export. This section contains all the tools you need for importing and exporting data from Outlook. Click on Open and Export, and then select Import/Export from the expanded menu. This will launch the Import and Export wizard window, which guides you through the entire backup process step by step. In the Import and Export wizard, you'll see several options for managing your Outlook data. Look for the option that says Export to a file and click on it to select it. Once you've selected this option, click the Next button at the bottom of the window to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to choose a file type for your backup data. From the list of available file types, select Outlook Data File, which has the extension .pst. This format is perfect for creating backups because it stores all your emails, contacts, calendar entries, and other Outlook data in a single file. Click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll need to select the account you want to backup. If you have multiple email accounts configured in Outlook, make sure you choose the correct one. You can also select specific folders if you only want to back up certain parts of your account, but for a complete backup, it's best to select the entire account. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Now comes the important part where you choose where to save your backup file. Click the Browse button to open a File Explorer window. Here, you can navigate to any location on your computer where you'd like to store the backup, such as your Documents folder, an external hard drive, or a cloud storage location. You can also change the file name of your backup to something more descriptive, like Outlook Backup followed by today's date. This makes it easier to identify later. Once you've chosen your location and named your file, click OK to confirm. Finally, click the Finish button to start the backup process. Outlook will now begin exporting all your data to the file location you specified. Depending on the size of your mailbox, this might take a few minutes, so be patient and let the process complete without interruption. And that's it. You've successfully created a backup of your OST file in Outlook, giving you peace of mind that your important emails and data are safely stored. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.